Next है जी teaching as a profession. A code of ethics is a set of standards of professional conduct. The word moral has been derived from the language Latin. Values give rise to ideals. The code of ethics of the teacher permits him to participate in the politics outside the classroom. I have been sent only for the purpose of perfecting good morals, the saying of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon. The code of ethics for teachers should include the values of justice, honesty, truthfulness, all of them. Teaching would come in which of the following classification of work profession. Among the stakeholders of the teaching profession, the client is student. The best evidence of professional status of teaching is the enforcement of high standards. Real mentorship is created by the having relationship professional. Teaching is a profession due to teachers' observance of professional ethics. The emotional development of students has a great relation with physical. Education Islam is valuable. The most critical factor needed to be make teaching a true profession is discipline of its own members. Teaching of tolerance is threshold of peace. Secondary school teaching is more prestigious than elementary school teaching because of high level of subject matter, high level of training, higher pay scales. ये सारे इसके अंदर है. Plato said a sound mind can nourish in sound body. As compared with other professions, the greatest lack in teaching is adequate salary scales. Physical health is necessary to build a balanced personality. Which of the following professions claims the largest membership? Teaching. The teaching professional should also be expert in social contact. A teacher's first duty is to his students. As teachers, we should think of our work in terms of disciplining students. The function of a teacher is primarily that of a guiding the children progress. The best position of a teacher in class is as member of the group. In teaching, if nothing has been learned, nothing has been taught. The basic function of a democratic teacher is guiding students. The rules for the classroom should be established by the students and teacher. The most important function of a teacher is guide pupil growth. The least required duty of a teacher is visiting homes of pupils. The student respects the teacher due to his goodwill and personal integrity. One should select a career in terms of values. The reason most often given by men for selecting teaching profession is desire to serve society. As a group, teachers tend to be relatively conservative. The most important single factor in teaching success is teacher's personality. Vital to teaching success is pleasant voice and correct speech. The most serious defect in teacher is poor mental health. The relationship of a teacher with students should be friendly and dignified. Teachers are trained in ये सारी चीज़ें जनरल एजुकेशन सब्जेक्ट मैटर प्रोफेशनल एजुकेशन ऑल ऑफ ये सारे पाए जाते हैं. The biggest weakness in teacher training program is lack of enough experiences with pupils. The greatest satisfaction of a good teacher with pupils is progress of pupils. The most pupils से मेरा student है. The most favorable factor in teaching is the social work and recognition. In service teacher education refers to on the job training. The most important element in the instructions is the relationship between teacher and student. Television is a device which is audiovisual. Good teaching requires ये सारी चीज़ें clarity of expression, good communication skill, command of the subject. Education can be defined best as growth resulting from experience. According to John Dewey, education is learning to do by doing. The basic source of educational objective is human experiences. The primary responsibility for determining the aims of education should be of society. The objectives of any school subject must be the basis for content and class activity. The goal of education should be acquiring knowledge, skills, and habits. The emphasis in the classroom should be the needs of individual child. Conflict resolution means resolving a dispute. Method of conflict resolution is sorry, conciliation, mediation, और litigation. यानी ये सारे पाए जाते हैं. Taking a book of another child without permission creates conflict. Teachers plays a role in moral development, emotional development, mental development, ये सारे, which is not the domestic issue. Mutual class domestic issue में clashes with neighbors. What is teaching? It is a process of transmission of knowledge. What is the first step in teaching? Teaching in a teaching model, determination of instructional objectives. Interest in achieving professional status of teachers is low salaries. The point in favor of professional status of teachers is in-service education. Which one is not the characteristic of teaching profession? Political activity. Which one is not the right of a teacher? Private tuition. Which one is odd इन तीनों में? PTC, CT, B.Ed और B.Tech. B.Tech odd है. In university, the lectures are recently pointed in BPS 17. Lecturers जो हैं ये 17 स्किल में पॉइंट होते हैं. In Pakistan, the basic salary for elementary school educator appointed in BPS 9 is rupees 3,820. ये पुरानी है, अब तो नहीं आ गई हुई. University of Education does not offer the program. LLB नहीं करवाती, बाकी सारे करवाती है. Which one is not teacher training institution? Agriculture University. A group of learned people, the members of which agree to abide by specified rules of conduct while working is profession. Directorate of Staff Development in DSD is responsible for managing in-service teacher education. Pre-service teacher training is provided to persons who want to become future teacher. In-service teacher training programs are conducted for capacity building of teachers. The role of teacher as a practitioner means practical implementation of content. The purpose of professional organization is ensure quality education, to look after teacher rights, to improve classroom teaching situation. ये सारे पाए जाते हैं. नेशनल एजुकेशन एसोसिएशन यानी नी जो है बिलोंग्स टू यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका यानी यूएसए. मेंबरशिप ऑफ नी in 2008 is approximately 3.2 million. American Federation of Teachers यानी AFT was founded in 1916. National Union of Teachers यानी NUT belongs to United Kingdom UK. Education Extension Center is renamed as DSD यानी Directorate of Staff Development. The main purpose of Directorate of Staff Development is teacher training. Elementary school educators are appointed in BPS 9 ESE कहते हैं. Senior elementary school educators are appointed to classes यानी जिनका BPS 14 होता है, ये 6 से लेकर 8 तक होते हैं. SE 14. Secondary school educators are appointed in BPS 16. SSE बोलते हैं इनको. The use of salary rule came out as a result of individual bargaining. In America, the salary of average teacher has risen recently to more than $45,000. A teacher's foremost duty is to train his students properly. Teacher training programs are conducted by ये सारे लामा इकबाल ओपन यूनिवर्सिटी, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ एजुकेशन, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज फॉर टीचर, एलिमेंट्री टीचर्स. A good teacher should have a command over subject matter, communication skill, pedagogy. ये सारे. Profession means service. In planning for teaching a profession, the most important factor is interest. Theory provides direction to practice. Effective teaching requires continuous planning.